Hi boys and girls, this week we're going to be putting together a super cute Christmas wreath ornament for your Christmas tree. These are the things that you should have in your kit. Some sparkly pipe cleaners, tacky glue, a couple of red bows, some pom-poms, some red yarn, and lots of these cut felt square pieces. There's also a little candy cane treat in there for you this week. Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to need a pair of scissors for this first part, and this is probably going to be the most time-consuming. You're going to take each of your little felt squares and fold it in half. Then take your scissors, open them up wide, and you're going to cut a tiny little slit inside each one. This is going to make threading it onto your pipe cleaners much easier. So go through and cut holes in all of them. Once you're finished with that, you're going to take two of the pipe cleaners and you're going to twist them together. After the two pipe cleaners are twisted together, you're going to start putting on all of your little felt squares. Once you've put a whole bunch of these little felt squares on here, mine has about 60 or 70, then you're going to take the two ends and twist them together to form your wreath. Now I just need to fluff this up to cover the whole pipe cleaner. Now that my wreath looks good, I'm going to take a piece of red yarn that's about a foot long, fold it in half, and make a knot at the top. You might have to have a parent help you with this part. Trim it. And I'm going to add the string to my ornament before I glue anything down. Spread them apart a little bit. Open up the loop end and stick the knot through. Pull up on the knot. And now we just need to decorate our wreath. Using tacky glue, I'm going to add my red bow. Now remember, tacky glue will dry clear, so it's okay if you use kind of a lot. And make sure you let this dry overnight before you try picking it up. This bow will not stick at all to the wreath until it's completely dry. Next, we're going to add some pom-poms. And now your Christmas wreath ornament is complete. You should have enough supplies to put together two of these, and be sure to let it dry completely before hanging it up on your tree. I hope you guys had a great time at Art Club this week. I've really enjoyed putting together all of these Christmassy projects for you. We're going to take a little bit of a break, and then hopefully we'll be back with more Art Club in the spring. Have a very Merry Christmas, and bye!